Hello. What's about your new one about the your jawboard?
If
What?
we check out this,
You already checked out the sinking ship.
Yes.
What's new about your jawboard?
in my jobber, it was a big jobber. We look and pick it up. Look.
What?
My, that's a jobber.
Okay. Let's show about your new one. What about your new one?
Is that a shark? This shark from the picture because I lost that piece and I built it a light.
Yeah.
ไปบอลมาก่อน
And you can see the shark. It's glowing dark. It's glowing dark.
เดี๋ยวแป๊บนึงพี่โยม
And my new bench is my new jobber. It's a shark. It's a shark feeder.
แป๊บนึงพี่โยมรีวิวก่อน
Look. We got something. We got. And this bird is strong, you know. And this thing. And perhaps we got clean. This bum play with Robert Jaw. And he's one bombus. First we got seen guns, but we now put this up and we now got see with our master guns. We take up dinosaur guns up and making that way that. And when
ป๊า
this
ป๊าสายอันนี้ย้อน YouTube ได้ไหม
queen on
ได้ไหมป๊าป๊าพูด
ได้
and my
ไม่ให้ลงนะถ้า
Let me
ไม่
closer,
ไป
make
จัดการ
this
เรื่อง
quaint.
นี้ไป
That's quaint.
พอแล้ว
Okay.
And quaint, the black shirt.
อาบน้ำแต่งตัวสวยๆแล้วให้
my black shirt and
ทำผมสวยๆแล้วให้
cake
รีวิว
bills. Back in the
ทำผืดเลยนะ
black thing and the
แต่งตัว
mustard
สวยๆบอกใส่กระโปรง
and
ด้วยนะ
a red hat.
ขึ้นไปเลยพี่อยู่ข้างบนลูก
That's
ข้างหลัง
one.
ลูกแม่เอามาให้แล้ว
Okay, that's cool. You let him make it. And I don't know that one. And it's fun.
ไม่เรื่อง
Okay, we got. Okay, we
ไม่
got.
ไหวหรอกเธอตัวหนักกว่า
And
นี้
I'm gonna cut. And this guy called Marcus. I'm gonna place over with real guy and put the hair on
แต่ง
this.
ทำผมสวย
Put the hair on and the greater from Jurassic World.
ๆมันปิดหน้าต้องทำ
Greater from superheroes. Take the people to pieces. This is a spear. Put it back on the to that myself. And this is from Grace and from my Lego. Put it on. And first, we shall middle ornaments. Jump it. And we jump it a vision walk. And do this. We can keep all things using this thing. And they can fill up. Look.
Mm-hmm.
Queens can run this. And there's a window on there. Why is this way on there? You can move the with that. Because why need thing way over there? Because you don't want to hunt, you know, and show him or that. He's one to copy. That's a copy. Okay, this is a jailbird. My jailbird inventions. And my jailbird copy. It's a two copies. Because that is when the new jailbird can beat all people on this jailbird. And 6 jailbird can beat all the mud. And my single jailbird can beat all the people. I can make this. And cool. In the up there is also a place to put the people on it. And the guy there is great. Okay, the crank that is over inside. And now we can get inside the job, but it's yep. They're not gonna take it inside this job. You turn to small. And then there's on top of job. And there's a rope stick on that. And there's one and there's meat piece. And there's some and shares and fishing rocks. And there's coins. You can put there's a coin. You can put a shrinkage. Cool. And listening bacon. My shark can fit on the boat. Okay. And inside the boat. And you see that? be Anakin and Quint from below the jaw. And the others, we have a ladder on it. Put the ladder up. And put a hill inside. Cool. And we can close the ladder. Close the ladder from below the jaw. There's sting wheels come through something. There's four sharks go over there. And this one. You know. And we can't get inside of it. And it's strong. Yeah, we got some. Okay, inside of it. But inside of it, there's some tables in there. Look. There's some chairs up there, and why I can build this. And look, this is a chain for shark in the water. Everybody can see and down there, you know. You want to see, you know, the some on there and the ship and a shark cage. I'm gonna show you my left cage, small thing shark cage, and my shark cage. Get my chains off. It is. This is the new one for my nigel, and you can put people in it. You can put the other people and even humans and humans can